The projected price of a BitTorrent in 2023 to 2024. It is predicted that BitTorrent would cost 0.000058 at the end of 2023, representing a 6% year-over-year shift from its initial cost of 0.00062 in 2023, which later fell to 0.000046 as a result of a 26% reduction from the year's commencement. Based on forecasts from now until the end of the year, the price of BitTorrent is anticipated to climb, with a subsequent increase of 26 units in the first quarter of 2024. However, it is projected that during the final phase, the price will fall by 0.00007 units, ending in a closing value at year's end of 0.00055 units. Compared to the current price, this closing value reflects a rise of 20 units. Days and months are close by on the gauge for which on Thursday, August 10th, the dollar's value was recorded at 0.000046. On Friday, August 11th, the value of the dollar was observed at 0.000046. On Saturday, August 12th, the value of the dollar was observed at 0.000046. On Sunday, August 13th, the value of the dollar was observed at 0.000046. On Monday, August 14th, the value recorded was 0.00046. On Tuesday, August 8th, the dollar's value was recorded at 0.000046. On Wednesday, August 9th, the value of the dollar. The forecasted timeframe of 2025 to 2029 is likely to see a noticeable growth in the use and influence of BitTorrent technology. The price of BitTorrent is anticipated to rise from 0.00055 to 0.000099, which represents a large increase of 80%. Based on forecasts, the torrent is forecast to start the year 2025 at a value of 0.00055. Then grow significantly over the first 6 months of the year to reach 0.00065 by the end of 2025. According to the projection for the years 2030 to 2034, BitTorrent is expected to reach a value of 0.00069, which represents a 50% rise from its current value. It is anticipated that BitTorrent would cost more from 0.000099 to 0.0000131, an increase of 32%. The BitTorrent cryptocurrency is forecast to start the year 2030 with a value of 0.00099, then gradually climb to 0.000105 in the first half of the year, and ultimately stable at 0.000111 by the end of the year. The aim of this study is to produce a forecast of the value of BitTorrent for the years 2023 to 2024. The value has increased by approximately 141% since the current day. The initial BitTorrent pricing in 2023 was recorded at 0.00062. As of right now, BitTorrent is being traded at 0.00048, indicating a decrease in value of 23% from the start of the year. The projected BitTorrent costs by the end of 2023 are estimated to be 0.00065. In addition, there is an anticipated year-to-year increase of 5%. In the first half of 2024, the cost of BitTorrent is expected to rise by 35%, however, in the latter half of the anticipated era of 2025 to 2029 is predicted to see a noticeable increase in the utilization and development of BitTorrent technology. According to the forecasted data, the cost of BitTorrent is projected to climb from 0.00053 to 0.00063, reflecting a 19% increase. BitTorrent is forecast to start the year 2025 at a value of 0.00053, rise over the first 6 months of the year to 0.00054, and eventually reach 0.00054 by the year's end. According to forecasts for the years 2030 to 2034, BitTorrent is expected to achieve a value of 0.00049. or a 2% increase from its current value. It is projected that BitTorrent's price will rise from 0.000063 to 0.00086, or a 37% increase. The predicted trajectory of BitTorrent in the year 2030 indicates that it will start at a value of 0.000063 and end at 0.00071, indicating a positive deviation of about 48 units from the current value. During the first half of the year, it is anticipated to experience an increase and reach a value of 0.00067. 7/1/2023. From 2020 to 2024, the expected value of BitTorrent is being taken into account. BitTorrent's initial price in 2023 was 0.00062. It has subsequently dropped to 0.000048 for a 23% loss. Additionally, in the first half of 2023, the estimated BitTorrent cost is 0.00064, which is a 3% rise from the current number. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin is currently trading at $29,697, and there is a slight trend towards selling up. But, as the 4-hour period shows, there are things that are stopping it from going over the $30,200 mark. Technical patterns that show a stronger bearish mood make this resistance even stronger. Important indicators like the RSI and MACD are getting close to the overbought zone, which could mean that the current bullish trend could start to weaken. Bitcoin's price recently reached the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement mark, which is currently $29,800. If the trend keeps going, the next goal will be the 38.2% point, which is $29,600. If Bitcoin falls below this mark, it could cause the price to go down to $29,250. But if Bitcoin can break through the level of support at $30,200, it could go up to the range of $30,600 to $31,000. It's important to keep an eye on the important zones at $29,800 and $30,200, as any moves below them could mean that Bitcoin is headed down. As the U.S. Consumer Price Index (CPI) report is about to come out, the BTC/USD pair is falling by nearly 0.5% and is currently selling at $29,597. Even though Moody's rating was cut and there was a banking problem, Bitcoin has continued to show its strength in this market. Also, Galaxy Digital has made a lot of money thanks to the rise in the value of Bitcoin and its many business operations.